Now, first warning weather with Jim Spencer.
You're looking at clouds and rainfall 12 hours ago. We told you the rain would end fairly early in the morning in the metro area, and it did. And finally, the clouds cleared out early this afternoon and left behind just a really beautiful afternoon with temperatures in the 60s, but it won't be that warm again for a while. This little system did not leave behind much rain, though. A few hundredths out in the hill country. In the metro area, only a tenth to 1500ths of an inch, and off to the east, 1500ths to about a fifth of an inch. LaGrange did pick up a third of an inch. In Austin, officially, we had 1500ths at Mabry, and the same out at the airport. Our dry winter continues, that we are getting little bits of rain here and there. Temperatures around the hill country tonight on the chilly side, 39 in Fredericksburg, 40s elsewhere. Metro area temperatures averaging about 45 to 47 degrees currently. And to the east, readings mainly in the middle 40s, but some colder weather is headed in overnight. Right now, live over downtown Austin, skies are clear. The view from our Austonian weather camera. 51 degrees here in the city right now, but by morning, 35. Clouds accompanying a cold front that arrives overnight. Noon tomorrow, 44 and a high of 48 degrees, so significantly colder tomorrow, and then 10 degrees colder than that on Thursday. 51 in the city right now. Look at the airport, 40 degrees with a clear sky. No wind out there. It's often colder out there when the skies are clear and the winds go calm. North-northeast wind at 5 at Mabry. Good looking pollen count today. Mole low, 152. Cedar, 116 is medium. That's not too bad. Colder to the north tonight. Look at those 20s up there in the Panhandle and the South Plains. Pretty cool across the state, but that colder air is coming our way in the wake of this big storm system. Nasty storm, foot of snow, big ice storm, but cold air is rushing south behind it. That's what's going to move in overnight. Then over the next several days, we're going to have at least 2 weak waves of low pressure move out of the west. Not really going to generate much in the way of lift, but it doesn't take much. This cold front that's moving through North Texas right now, it's going to move right on through here in the middle of the night tonight. Then it's going to be cold for 3 days. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. We think the front will be into the metro area at that hour. Then that little wave of low pressure comes out of the west. That's enough to cloud up the sky. And while our computer model doesn't show much rain here Thursday morning, or as we go through the day Thursday, it doesn't take much. If it squeezes out a little bit of drizzle during the hours that we're at freezing or below, we could get that little layer of ice that can create problems, especially on elevated roads and the flyovers that we have so many of around the metro area. So this is how it should unfold. Windy and colder tomorrow, and then sub-freezing temperatures Thursday morning, Thursday night, and again Friday morning. And if that is timed with some drizzle, it will be cold enough that there could be a light layer of ice. I think the probabilities are low that this is anything very significant, but we're going to have to watch it closely. Freezing drizzle Thursday, Friday. Question mark at this point. In the morning, some freezing temperatures in some locations. Then tomorrow afternoon, I think many places do not climb out of the 40s. I think day after tomorrow, we don't make it out of the 30s. Tonight in Austin, 35. Clouds will thicken up with that overnight cold front. Mostly cloudy to partly sunny tomorrow. Windy and a high of only 48 degrees. On the 7-day forecast, there are those sub-freezing mornings in Austin. Much colder in the hill country. 20s Thursday morning, Friday morning. We'll put that wintry mix in with a question mark. Saturday, we warm back to 60, then another cold front drops us back into the 40s on Sunday. They're one after another here lately. Another chance of rain toward the middle of next week. Tomorrow morning, you're going to want to tune in with us. We've got some big changes coming, and Mark Monstrola will have the details for you every 10 minutes beginning at 4:30.